y'all. Thanks for joining today. Today, we're going to be unboxing the Tory Burch sandals. I've had these on my radar, of course, for years now. Everyone's had them. I thought about getting some fake ones, but I decided, hey, why not invest in some great sandals? Because we all know how it is. You go and you buy, cheap sandals and they last for one summer. So hopefully the investment was worth it, you guys. So, sit back, relax, enjoy as I show you kind of what the box looks like, what the shoes look like. And of course, here we get this cute little thank you card from Tory Burch. And the box is really cute, color scheme really cute. And so I was very excited about these. So as you can see here, everything has their logo on it, everything has the name on it. And I currently wear a size 10 in women. And so I did order a 10 and a half. It said to go up. But how cute is this little bag that it comes in? Yes, come on, taking care of the quality shoes. Let's get into it. So that's the bag. And so, as I was saying, quality over quantity is what I'm going for this year. So, I'll definitely be sharing with you guys kind of some of the things that's been on my list of things that I want to buy that are worth purchasing and, of course, cost a little bit more money. But here's the sandal here. Cute color, right? So hopefully, these will go with everything as I planned for them to go with. And so I'll definitely be uploading more videos of me unboxing some of my quality items. But they are not as heavy as I thought they would be. So I'm definitely, leaning more towards the comfort side of the world these days. And so definitely, getting rid of all the paper. I hope they come up, with something, some engineers come up with another way to keep, the shoes together other than the paper because, recycle, save the earth. But there you have it. That's all that comes in the box. And hopefully you guys enjoyed. So be sure to like and subscribe down below. I'm new to this whole YouTube thing, so don't judge me. This is my first edited video, so we'll see how this thing goes. But as you saw from my intro, I'll be starting to get into the podcast world of things as well as some book reviews. So be sure to follow. Thanks. See you guys next time.